Xian Xiong Mei Hao De Yiqian, Wo Shi, Angelica Di Atong, Wo Zai Shou Li Tin Xiu, Yi Xie Yo Guan Xiong Guada Xin Xi. Now I'm showing some information about China. China is located in East Asia, is known officially as People's Republic of China. The republic was established in 1949 by the name China, which is commonly used by foreigners. It is probably derived from Qin Dynasty 221 to 206 BC, which unfined the nation. Now let's tackle about the land of China. Its vast area of more than 3,690,000 square miles makes the China the third largest country in the world after Russia and Canada, with an estimated population of 1 billion in 1993 census. It is the Earth's most populated country. China shares a land border of 12,260 kilometers with 14 countries, and that is Russia, Mongolia, Laos, North Korea, Vietnam, Burma, India, Bhutan, Nepal, Pakistan, Afghanistan, Tajikistan, Kyrgyzstan, and Kazakhstan. Now the religion of China. Traditionally, the major religion of China were Confucianism, Buddhism, and Taoism. Currency of China. The renminbi is the official currency of China and one of the world's reserve currencies. The yuan is the basic unit of renminbi, but the word is also used to refer to the Chinese currency generally. People of China. China is a multiracial state in which the Han ethnic Chinese constitute nearly 92% of its total population. The remaining 8% belongs to some smaller ethnic groups, such as Huis, Mongols, Uyghurs, Tibetans, Miaos, Manchus, Yuis, Buyis, and Koreans. The Dynasty of China. The imperial dynastic system of government which continue for countries were established as early as 221 BC. 1. Shang or Yin Dynasty, Zhou Dynasty, Qin or Qin Dynasty, Han Dynasty. In China's invention, there are many inventions of China, and that is abacus, acupuncture, bamboo cannon, basket, bamboo ore, iron, blast furnace, books, cast irons, fan, fireworks, and some other furnitures that inventions of China. The language of China. The official dialect of China is Mandarin, also called Putonghua. More than 70% of Chinese population speaks Mandarin, but there are also several other major dialects in use in China. I know some people are familiar with this 12 zodiac sign, or Sheng Shuao, translating to born resemblance in order: rat, ox, tiger, rabbit, dragon, snake, horse, goat, monkey, rooster, dog, and pig. I hope I gave you some clearly information about China. That's all. Xi xi.